This right here is your oil filter. Oil filter housing is a common leaking spot for these cars right here. Gasket looks a little bit like this. It's gonna be, and this bolt is gonna be down here. There's gonna be two at the top. So this one at the bottom, you'll see that it's right here on the side. I don't know if you can see it from this angle, but it's right there. Right there, you see it. There's gonna be a 15 millimeter right there. Mine's almost halfway out, but as you can see, my wrench goes to the front, and then you can see it from here. And you can help yourself out with your fingers on the other side. As you can see my flashlight, you can put your fingers through those holes. So let's get the first one out. Here it is. I have the other bolt locked with the socket. I got it with my hand through the front, right here, by the front bumper. You just take this through. I have a swivel over here, if you can see that. There's a swivel right here, and then there's a little tiny extension to go there. And then I have my wrench sticking out over here. Just take it out. All right, so I have my socket up there. It's locked in. Let's take that one off. All right, so it's off. It was two bolts on the top, like I just showed you. Here it is hanging. The reason why it's hanging is because it has a sensor. I think that's the pressure sensor. So this is trash. I'm bringing the new ones, which the new ones, I got this for $10. I thought it would just be one, but it's actually 5 gaskets of the same one. You only need one. So I'm guessing they expect this to happen a lot. I don't know. Okay, so bolts are secured. I cleaned up around just to make sure that nothing's coming out of there. Everything looks fine.